Alright, so we have all the shelves built. Now we just gotta hang them on the walls. Everything is built out. We're just gonna hang it up now. I'll come back and do a walkthrough of everything once it's completed, but this is where we're at now, you guys. Sneak peek. Okay, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give y'all the reveal of our extension that we did as far as the restroom and our walk-in closet. I decided to just go ahead and do this video instead of waiting. I'll just do a update or clean with me type of video to show the things that I still have to do that I was trying to wait for, but I'm gonna just go ahead and give y'all a walkthrough of what's done so far. So I'm gonna put a clip of the before, and this is going to be the after. As you can see, when you first walk in, we have a his and her vanity. What we did here was go ahead and change the knobs. The knobs on here came silver, but we changed them to black because I wanted all black accessories in here. So that's what we did. We changed it to the black knobs, and the faucet, we also changed that out. We gave y'all like a I call this light fixture my lighthouse. It gives the feel of a resort vacation home when it's lit, and I absolutely love it. And I paired it off with this black mirror, black trim mirror, to give it that look that I was looking for. I'm gonna try to stay out of the mirror during this video because I am under the weather, so if I sound funny, I apologize ahead of time, but I'm just trying to get this video out because it's prolonging too long. And again, this is his side. This is my husband's side. And this is the theme I went with to go ahead to get my color scheme and my feel the way how I wanted it to go. I used that theme to go ahead and do everything. Here we have the fireplace, and y'all, it is real. It does give off heat. And above it, we paired it with a spa TV / mirror. I'll put a picture in how the TV looks when it's off, but this is how it looks when it's on. So normally I'll put something relaxing and cozy on for us. So today I went with the fish theme since my husband loves fishes. So I just want him to be relaxed when he do get in. So yeah, that is our little wall with the stack stones. We went with the silver and white with specks of glitter. I don't know if y'all can see, they do have glitter in there. I don't want to get too close. But yeah, and over here is my side. Again, we went with the lighthouse theme for the lights, paired it off with the mirror, changed the faucet, changed the knobs, and also we have two matching these. If you guys want to know where I got that from, I'll put the link below. And my husband also has one. I need to put his back on his side, but so far this is what we got as far as the vanity. I'm gonna step back. Underneath the vanity, we have lights that come on. They're censored, so if let's say we wanted to use the restroom in the middle of the night, we don't have to turn on all the lights. We can just walk past it and they're gonna come on. We also have that in the restroom right here. which we put an accent wall with the black towels that's there. Here you also have a sensor light. It comes on when we're using the restroom. That way we don't have to put all those lights on in the middle of the night. So this is how this look. And we have it nice and simple. Up here is the towels and the tissue paper. Right now I'm doing laundry, so I'll be stocking that in a few. But this is a look from this way. As you can see, like I said, I'm doing laundry in my room. But it's just the view from this way. I'll go ahead and show you this wall since I'm turned this way. This is our stand-up shower that we installed. It's very big, it's very spacious. No, we did not put a glass wall up because we absolutely love it like this, wide open. And to be honest with y'all, we did it so big in the shower head that we have with that, we don't necessarily need to put a wall because the water stays within the shower. So that's the shower area. Here's our robes, his and hers. I will show you guys how the door looks when it's closed. We did the trimming with a gray trimming and the bone door. That's the look it's giving when you're in here with the door closed. Right here we have our standalone freestanding tub, his and hers. It comes with the shower head so you can rinse. It has the jets. It has it comes with the pillars. And what we did was we added a chandelier right above it to give us that spa relax feel that we was looking for. So it is suiting its purpose. I love it once again. And when we in here together, sometime we may want a glass of champagne. So I made a little cozy area. Right over here we have our wine, his and hers. That's the remote for the TV and the fireplace. Right here we have a little seating area if I want to get out the tub and put my lotion on or what have you. I can sit there and do that. I placed a little greenery there just to give it a little pop of green because you guys know I like greenery. I love flowers. So when you look this way, you look into the walk-in closet. So this is the wall that we tore down, and I decided not to go back up with another door because I love the way it feels wide open. We also have 2 exhaust vents for anybody that's wondering what they're gonna do about the moisture. We do have 2 fans that come in here to pull the moisture out, so we don't have that problem. On this wall right here, I added another mirror. So when we're getting dressed, we can see our full body view right here. And I love it again. And once again, we paired this off with the, I actually made this trim, you guys. This is just a regular mirror with a trim that we use to make a frame. And we put all the trimming in this gray color. So as you can see, all the trimming is in the gray color. So now let's walk into the extension that was added. Right here, you see, this is the extension that we added. This is his, let me see. From here on over is my husband's side. So we have a his and hers. I love to match everything up to make my husband feel special as well as me feeling special. I know what makes me feels good, so I like to do the same thing that makes me feel good. I like to do the same thing for him too. So at this time we have some of his clothes and shoes and hats up. I still have more to put away, you guys. So when I do a organize with me, or I'm gonna do a cleanup day, and then you guys will see all the rest of the shelving full, because again, I have to go back upstairs to get the rest of our belongings. Right here we have another chandelier that we put in the closet. And the closet system is from Module Closets, I believe. And me and my husband put it together and we installed it ourselves. And we absolutely love the way it came out. We did it to our liking. And yeah, we love it. This area over here, this is my vanity area, my makeup, where I do my makeup, I do my hair. That wig is a wig I'm about to install in my head. I'll come back for the next video with that wig installed, y'all. Again, I'm not feeling too good, but I just wanted to go ahead and get this video out so I can get it done. But here's the vanity. Over here we put some shelving for my hair products, my little beanie hats, and again another shelving for just miscellaneous hair products. I have all of my smell goods here. That's why I put that as far as my perfumes. Up here we have my jewelry, a little picture of me. In this cupboard we have makeup, all my makeup, makeup brushes, miscellaneous earrings, and down here I just have like belts and stuff like that. I'm gonna do a full a more detailed video where I'll go and open each drawer and show you guys how I organized everything, but this video is just to show you the final look of the restroom in the extension, which is the closet. That area right there, I have my jewelry, have more shades and purses. My little Barbie section is here. Right here we got some smell goods again, and I pair it off with the long lounge wears here. I have all my nightgowns here, sportswear here, jackets, jean jackets, and big bags are there. I have my jeans, my blazers, bags, shoes, little hoodies, jogging suits, and just miscellaneous little extra little shirts that I have different colors. And I did the same thing on my husband's side, so yeah. So I hope you guys like the way it came out. Oh, I wanted to show you guys the look. If I turn, okay, I'm gonna turn the light off. This is the way the closet looks with all the lights off. We put extra lighting underneath to give it a little more relaxed feel. Like I say, we love to be cozy. We love to be cozy. So this is the look without any lights. This is the look with the recessed lighting that we got added. And this is what the recessed lighting in the chandelier. And I'm going to show you just the chandelier. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And I'll continue to make videos like this to show you guys how I clean, how I organize, all that good stuff. Before we go, I'm going to go ahead and turn the lighting on in here. We also have 3 different sets of lighting in here. This is how it looks with the chandelier on over the tub. If I turn that off, this is the lighting that I told you that's giving a lighthouse vibe to me. I love it. Go closer. It's giving lighthouse. But this is the Ray comb look with that light on. And we also have recessed lighting in here. So we got 3 different vibes.